Top Management Decisions, ISO 21001 for Education Sector. Strategic Decisions, Budgeting, Resource Reallocation, and Compliance Enforcement. Each output is a result of aggregated process decisions across all hidden layers. Explanation of the image, DNN output for top management strategic decisions. Domain, AI model for ISO 21001, Educational Organizations Management System. Author, Pradeep K. Suri, author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Tool used, Python with Plotly, dark theme. Bluebook context. This image is a data visualization that presents the output of a deep neural network, DNN, model designed to support top management decisions in an educational institution aligned with ISO 21001 standards. ISO 21001 emphasizes improving processes, aligning educational services to learner needs, and strategic oversight. This DNN helps by aggregating complex data into strategic guidance. Graph description. Component details. Chart type bar chart. Theme dark background, for better contrast and presentation. X-axis, categories, strategic decision areas, budgeting, resource reallocation, compliance enforcement. Y-axis, scores, performance scores in percent, range, 0 to 100%. Bars, scores, budgeting, 87.5%. Resource reallocation, 79.2%. Compliance enforcement, 92.8%. Bar colors, green, budgeting, orange, reallocation, blue, compliance. Data source aggregated outputs from DNN hidden layers based on structured input metrics. Brain DNN model output meaning. Each percentage score represents the aggregated effectiveness or readiness level of the organization to act in the respective strategic area based on AI-inferred patterns from institutional data, example financial logs, resource usage, policy enforcement data, compliance records. One chart increasing budgeting, 87.5%. Indicates a strong alignment between budget planning and organizational objectives. AI identifies optimized spending patterns and forecasting accuracy. 2 counterclockwise arrows button resource reallocation, 79.2%. Moderate effectiveness, suggests that while resource mobility is functioning, some inefficiencies exist. May recommend further optimization in teaching staff, digital tools, or time allocation. 3 clipboard compliance enforcement, 92.8%. Highest performance score. Reflects strong adherence to regulatory and internal policies, a key ISO 21001 requirement. Direct hit strategic decision support. This visualization provides top management with direct insights into where the AI model detects strengths, example compliance. Where there is room for improvement, example reallocation. How ISO 21001 principles are being operationalized. Pushpin final notes. Each score is the outcome of deep layer inference, meaning it's based on dozens or hundreds of process level variables synthesized through the neural network. The model helps simulate scenarios, audit decisions, and track organizational maturity toward ISO 21001 excellence. Thank you.